Cravings for unhealthy food often strike when there's no plan in place, so setting up a meal plan can help you avoid impulsive eating and make healthier choices. Meal planning is not about strict rules. It's about creating a flexible structure that aligns with your lifestyle, preferences, and dietary needs. In this guide, we'll explore 40 detailed and practical hacks that will help you design a meal plan for a healthier week with less stress and more success. Preparation is key. Dedicate one day each week, like Sunday, to plan your meals, shop for groceries, and prepare ingredients to set yourself up for success. Review your weekly schedule to identify which days will be busiest, so you can plan quick meals, leftovers, or easy-to-reheat options for those times. Before making a grocery list, check your fridge, freezer, and pantry to use up what you already have and minimize food waste. Pick a handful of simple, versatile recipes that you enjoy cooking and eating regularly to streamline your planning process and reduce decision fatigue. A well-organized grocery list categorized by store sections can save you time and make your shopping trip more efficient. Planning your meals. Start by building a balanced framework for each meal. Include a source of protein, a variety of vegetables, and a whole grain to ensure nutritional balance. Plan meals that share overlapping ingredients, like using a roasted chicken for salads, wraps, and soups, to save time and money. Rotate a few staple meals throughout the week and supplement with new recipes to keep your menu fresh and exciting without being overwhelming. Don't forget snacks. Having a plan for healthy, satisfying snacks can help you stay energized and avoid reaching for junk food. Use themed days like Meatless Monday or Stir Fry Friday to make planning more creative, fun, and consistent. Meal prep hacks. Batch cook your staples, such as roasted vegetables, cooked grains, and grilled proteins, so you can quickly assemble meals during the week. Utilize your oven or slow cooker to prepare multiple components at once, like baking chicken while roasting vegetables and simmering a soup. Invest in a variety of quality storage containers, including ones that are freezer-safe, to keep prepped food fresh and organized. Label all your prepped meals and ingredients with names and dates to ensure you can easily identify them and use them in a timely manner. Portion meals into single servings so they're ready to grab for work lunches or quick dinners without additional prep or cleanup. Time-saving strategies. Frozen vegetables and fruits are excellent time savers because they're pre-washed, pre-cut, and just as nutritious as fresh options, making them perfect for busy weeks. Pre-cooked grains like microwavable quinoa, rice, or farro are convenient for assembling quick meals while still maintaining a balanced diet. When you're short on time, lean on store-bought shortcuts like pre-washed salad greens, rotisserie chicken, or canned beans to simplify meal prep. Double or even triple your favorite recipes, so you can enjoy one portion now and freeze the extras for easy meals on hectic days. Designate one night a week as leftovers night to reduce food waste and give yourself a break from cooking. Healthy hacks focus on recipes that prioritize whole, unprocessed ingredients like lean proteins, whole grains, and fresh produce to maximize nutritional value. Incorporate extra vegetables into everyday meals, like adding spinach to pasta or grated zucchini to baked goods, to increase your veggie intake effortlessly. Prepare healthy snack packs ahead of time, such as sliced fruit, portion nuts, or yogurt cups, to keep your energy up between meals. For portion control, use smaller plates or containers to help regulate serving sizes and prevent overeating while still feeling satisfied. Plan easy and nutritious breakfast options in advance, like overnight oats, pre-made smoothie bags, or egg muffins, to start your day strong. Budget-friendly tips. Buy seasonal produce whenever possible, as it's fresher, tastier, and often significantly cheaper than out-of-season options. Purchase pantry staples like rice, pasta, lentils, and canned goods in bulk to save money while stocking up for multiple meals. Opt for generic or store brand items when shopping, as they often have the same quality as name brand products but at a lower cost. Transform leftovers into new meals, such as turning last night's roasted chicken into a chicken salad or soup, to get more value out of your food. Avoid spending extra on pre-packaged snacks by making your own, like energy balls or roasted chickpeas, at home. Staying organized. Use a weekly meal planning board or digital calendar to map out meals for each day, helping you stay on track and reducing last-minute decision-making. Create a dedicated folder, app, or binder for your favorite recipes to make meal planning faster and easier each week. Leave room in your plan for flexibility, whether it's a spontaneous takeout night or switching meals around to accommodate changing schedules. Keep your pantry stocked with versatile staples like olive oil, spices, broth, and canned goods to make meal prep faster and more adaptable. Take advantage of time-saving kitchen tools like a food processor, blender, or pressure cooker to cut down on preparation and cooking times. Conclusion: remember that meal planning doesn't have to be rigid or perfect. It's about finding a system that works for you and makes your life easier. With these meal planning hacks, you'll not only save time and reduce stress but also eat healthier and feel more organized throughout your week.